Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. As most of you have experienced so far, when a big NFT project opens its public mint, it's almost impossible to mint because people or bots mint before you. So today I will show you guys Slop Wallet. By using this wallet, we will make transactions faster than Phantom and other wallet users. Let's first add Slop Wallet extension to Chrome. You will find all the necessary links in the description box below. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. As you can see, it added Slop Wallet extension. Now click on this and let's set up our wallet. We will create a new wallet, so click on Create New Wallet. Then click to reveal seed phrase. These phrases are more important than the password because if you lose your password, you can change it with these phrases. But if you lose the phrases, you'll lose your wallet. So make sure to copy this and paste it on multiple text files, or I recommend writing it down on a paper. And then click on I've saved it. Then it asks us to choose the words in the right order. After choosing the words in the right order, let's set up a password. So we set up our password and click on Save. And as you can see, it says you're all done. Now we've created our wallet successfully. Click on Finish. Now let's learn how to make faster transactions. When you click on the button on top right corner, it says Trusted Apps. When you click on this, you will see a list of trusted apps. Now let's log into the Magic Eden with our Slop Wallet to know what this Trusted Apps bar do. So we open Magic Eden, click on Connect Wallet, click on Show More Options, and then choose Slop Wallet. Click on Connect and Sign Message. Now as you can see, we connected our Slop Wallet to the Magic Eden. Now when we open our Slop Wallet and click on Trusted Apps, we will see an Auto Approve option. Now on Phantom and other wallets, you sign the transaction to confirm it and it slows you down. When you turn on Auto Approve, it will make the transaction much faster. So let's now click on Auto Approve. And let's just choose a random collection. As you can see, I don't have any Sol on my wallet, but you will understand what I'm talking about. So let's click on Trippin' Ape Tribe and let's choose the first one. So when you click on Buy Now, as you can see, without asking anything, it just says something went wrong because I don't have any Solanas in my wallet. Now let's use a Phantom wallet to understand the difference. Let's open Trippin' Ape Tribe again and try to buy the first one. Let's click on Buy Now. And as you can see, it asks for my approval before the transaction, and this slows us down. When we try to mint a project on the public sale, we gotta be much faster than this. So I definitely suggest you to use Slop Wallet if you wanna mint a project on the public sale. And as I said, using a Slop Wallet is much faster than using a Phantom wallet or other Solana wallets. And also, if you don't want to auto-approve, when you turn this off, you can use your Slop Wallet just like Phantom Wallet. There's no difference. When you click on Buy Now, as you can see, it will ask for your approval and then make the transaction. So Slop Wallet is definitely more practical than the Phantom Wallet. And so that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, breaking news about the crypto world and business world in general. So definitely subscribe to our channel and check out our Instagram page. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.